Guys, welcome back to Wealth Talk, the channel all about how to build wealth, how to create wealth, and how to sustain wealth. My name is Marnie.
I'm Yaku.
And in today's episode, we are going to be covering, can you really create a passive income through trading?
You can.
I fully agree with that. But, big but, guys, you need to know what you are doing. Right? So trading is not for the light-hearted, I would almost say. And the reason why I'm saying it is because trading is actually difficult.
True, money. A lot of people treat it as a gambling exercise, and that's not what it is at all.
Absolutely. Trading should be seen as you going for a 4-year degree.
Yes, it's not a guessing game.
Yes. So I think what people miss about trading is a lot of people think that you can just watch a single video series, do some practice trades, and then you are a fully ready, profitable trader. And that is not the case. I always tell people that trading is like learning a degree. It's going to take you 4 years of hard work, dedication, and commitment.
That's so true. I mean, money and myself has blown about 4 to 5 accounts just to learn. And guys, truly, there's always something new to learn, something different. The market is a very, very fluctuating thing.
But you are watching this video because you want to find out, can you really create a passive income through trading? Now, yes, as we said before, but there is some rules to it. So let's discuss those rules. Okay, guys, the first thing that you're going to have to learn is you need to learn how to read a chart.
Very important.
Right? You need to understand what a chart looks like. So we're going to pop a picture of it on now. So this is what a chart pretty much looks like. And I can guarantee you, looking at it right now, you have no idea what you're looking at.
Yes, and I think something that some people don't understand as well, if you look at the chart afterwards and the chart that's live, total different thing.
Exactly. So the first thing you need to learn is, how does the chart function? What does everything on the chart mean? And don't just make this a fly-by-night exercise. Don't think just because you already understand this that you know everything about it. Truly take some time and get to know the different types of charts, different types of time frames, and how the entire chart looks. Understand how the entire chart is put together. I think a lot of people just watch a 5-minute video and then they see the chart and they think, oh, well, I know everything about a chart. No, you don't. You need to understand how the chart functions and how you need to set up your chart in order for you to succeed at it.
Not just that, Marnie. Different charts works different for different people. So like candlesticks, for instance. Some people prefer a bar candlestick.
Alright guys, the second thing that you need to learn is candlestick patterns, as well as how does candlesticks work. Now if you're on the video and I'm saying candlesticks and you're thinking about a lighter and a candle, we're not on the same page. You need to go and learn a bit more. We're talking about a candlestick, so you need to understand how they work. Those are those little green and red cylinders, I would almost say, that you see on the chart, right? Those are called candlesticks. And you need to learn how to read them.
Yes, you need to learn how to read them. You need to know what the different candle types look like. You need to understand what they are telling you, what that specific candle is telling you about the market at that stage.
And another thing that's important is to understand that candles tell you a story.
That's true.
It's very, very important for you to understand, or to put your candlesticks together and understand the story of the market. So your candles form a story. Now, guys, when you're looking at candlestick patterns, you need to understand that there is certain patterns in the market that are repeated. Now you're asking, but why is it like that? Because human beings are sitting behind laptops just like you doing physical trading. And we as human beings like patterns. We like to repeat the same thing over and over. So that's why when you do know candlestick patterns, it's easy for you to get a good trade because you kind of like know what's going to happen in the market. Guys, just a disclaimer, it doesn't always happen that way.
No. Like Manny said, there's different candlestick patterns. Each one of them has their own story to tell and obviously the story to follow, which means the story that follows is the story you're going to need to know beforehand.
And there's 4 or 5 different types of candle structures. Like there's Heikin-Ashi candles, there's bars, there's many different types of candlesticks. So make sure that before you start trading, real life trading, understand what candlesticks are, how they work, and which one best suits you. Like both of us use different candlestick patterns.
Exactly.
All right, number 3, guys, is you need to know you need to have a proven trading strategy. This is something that I think is not discussed in the market a lot, because a lot of people just say, here's my strategy, you're going to be successful.
Yes, guys, and there's a lot of people that's going to introduce you to some type of trading, but they're not going to open up everything to you. You still need to make sure that you know everything, because a lot of people tells you, okay, this is a candlestick, this is a chart, this is a that, but they don't really go into depth explaining everything to you. So it's very important to make sure that you know exactly what that chart is telling you.
Guys, we are busy creating a series on understanding trading and learning how to read all the factors. But when it comes to a proven trading strategy, I do not use any trading strategy that has not been back tested with over 100 trades. Now, you're going to ask, but 100 trades is nothing, Barney. Well, I don't trade under 4 hours. Means I'm not a scalping trader, I'm not a speed trader, I'm a swing trader. And understanding my strategy is for swing trading. My husband, Jaco, on the other hand, he is a scalper. So he's using a different trading strategy than I'm using. But why? So a 4-hour trading strategy, if you have to just look at that strategy over one chart doing 100 trades, it can go back all the way 5 years, 5 to 7 years.
Yes.
So never use a trading strategy where someone just pops you a thing and says, oh, well, here's this trading strategy. Just pop it in and you're going to be able to make money. No, I'm yet to find some of them. And if I'm wrong, I will apologize. But to date, I have not found one. We have one single trading strategy both of us use that has been proven over 100 years.
Yes.
Right? This has been proven over 100 years. So we're only using trading strategies that have been proven in the market to be successful. But guys, please take note. If anybody says to you, my trading strategy is 100% accurate, ask your money back and don't give your money back to that person. That's a lie. We use the best of indicators, and still, remember, human beings are trading the market. They make split decisions. They're not always going to be making the same decision.
True. And remember, guys, you are trading as a single person. The banks are trading as a monopoly.
Exactly. So it's important for you to have a good, strong strategy. Guys, rule number 4 is very important. You need to spend at least 6 months on a demo account, 6 to 12 months.
True.
Before you even think of trading, you need to spend at least 6 to 12 months on a demo account and trade on the demo account. But the problem that a lot of people have is they get excited when they've been busy with it for 6 months and the demo account is showing success. They think that they can actually go and use their own money.
Not just that, Martin. Some people get 2 or 3 accurate trades after one another on their demo account, and then they think, oh no, I can do this. Whilst it's totally different when you're trading on a live account.
And the reason for that is you need to learn to control your emotions. Because here's the difference. In a demo account, that's not your money. That's fake money. It's easy to trade fake money. But trust me, when it's your real money, There's emotions attached to it. And that's why you need to spend at least 6 to 12 months on a demo account for you to be able to control yourself. And why I reiterate this to people before they start trading a live account is if you cannot control your emotions, you are going to exit trades or you're going to break the rules.
Obvious.
And when you break the rules, you end up busting accounts one after the other, negative self-talk kicks in, and then you do the most dangerous thing is chasing the market.
And chasing the market is as good as going to the roulette tables and gambling your money away.
I think more like blind gambling, just like throwing your stuff on there. You know, I think it's like you closing your eyes and you're saying, okay, well, let's just see where it lands.
Yeah.
That's the exact same thing. There's no way. So go and spend the time on your demo account. Track and prove your trading strategy. Learn to control yourself. Because the best traders in the world don't have any emotions attached to their trading work. They've separated their trading as a job and from their personal life. They know that when I enter a trade, all my criteria, all my rules have been ticked. I'm going in on the trade. If it's a positive, thank you. If it's a negative, thank you. They have no emotion attached to it. And that is why a lot of people fail at trading, because they cannot control their emotions.
Yes. I think when Marnie just mentioned never chase the market, it's very important to realize that when a dog chases a car, it doesn't mean they're going to grab it.
And if you grab it,
What do you do with it?
you can just imagine that dog going vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, so guys, never ever, no. Go onto a demo account, spend the time on it, nothing less than 12 months. Get your emotions under control and then start trading. Now, step number 5 is one that we learned the very hard way. Stick to the rules. It is exactly the same way when you are playing any sport. Let's use, for example, soccer. If you're going to go and play soccer, there is boundaries, there is rules, and there are players. If you break any of the rules, you can face suspension. It is the exact same thing in trading. There are rules that comes with your trading strategy. And the reason why there are rules is to prevent you from overtrading, chasing the market, and protecting yourself. So that's why there are rules and why you do not break the rules. But what I find with a lot of people is they don't stick to rule number 5 and they end up
Busting an account.
losing a lot of money. Guys, trading is all about psychology, and that's why we like it. It's all about patterns, and it's all about mathematics, and it's all about psychology. Can you control yourself? Do you know when to stop and when to start? Do not force trades. So guys, it is so important in rule number 5 to have your rules up on your wall and to stick to your rules. And if you're able to implement these 5 rules, we just gave you these 5 things, you will be able to create a massive amount of passive income for yourself. Now, if you don't want to go through this process and you don't want to go through all of these things, that's why a lot of companies have opted to create a
PAM accounts.
PAM accounts, percentage allocation marginal modules, right? This is a way that you can plug into really good traders, expert traders that are trading on your behalf. Yes, they are going to be sharing in the profit. Yes, you are allowing them to trade with your money, but the difference is you don't need to stick to all these rules. Or even better, what we did is we have a PAM account on the side. So while we are trading and enjoying ourselves on the one side, we have a recurring passive income. So that's another method that you can use to actually grow a trading account for yourself.
Now, I've picked up that a lot of people say, but why would I let someone else trade with my money in a PAM account? Guys, that's very simple and very easy. Right now, you've got money in the bank. They're trading on your behalf. Do you know them? Do you know the people that's using your money? So be very careful.
How much does the bank even give you? 4%.
Maybe if you're lucky, 5%.
4% a year. That's what you get. 4% a year is what their traders are giving you, and the rest of it, the other 96%, goes to the bank. So the reality is trading can be a very, very profitable passive income for you, but you have to learn the skills. There's rules that you need to abide to. So on my personal opinion regarding trading and answering that question, can you really create passive income on trading? Yes, you can. When there's a good trade, you can go into a good trade, stay in it for a couple of days, maybe a couple of months, depending on how you want, and you can create passive income for yourself. But you need to be able to successfully implement these 5 rules into your trading strategy, and you need to implement it into your life. Or you can just cancel everything and go for a PAM account and allow even better traders to trade on your behalf. That's entirely up to you. But from my side, I do believe trading is a very good skill to learn, and it's also a great way for you to create passive income.
Yes, as we call the PAM accounts, we are the smart traders because we let smarter traders trade on our behalf.
Thank you so much, guys, for sharing in this video today. If you liked what we shared, give us a thumbs up. We're going to drop a PDF in the comment section with all 5 of these rules and some suggestions on how you can actually implement them in your life. We'll even drop in a little freebie for you guys, some candlestick patterns that we found, and then we will also link in there an upcoming webinar we're going to have regarding the trading strategy that we have used that has been proven for over 100 years. So we are going to be training on that because we've had so many requests on that. So guys, if you like the content, give us a
thumbs up
and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you like what we're talking about and wanting to grow some wealth for yourself, then this is the place to be, and we will catch you guys again on our next video. Have an awesome, blessed day.